Okay, today we're going to be talking about our topper gripper. Our topper gripper is great for customers that have a very thin, fine hairline. It is for customers that have frontal fibrosing alopecia. And it comes in several different colors. So we have the blonde, medium brown, and black. So when the customers first get the topper gripper and you're wondering how to put it on, you want to make sure that the tag is facing upwards. It does have a little loop right here, piece of fabric that you can attach the clip to, or you can actually attach it to the fabric itself. There is an adjustable band that you can tighten it and loosen it. You want it to fit very snug around your head like a headband. So we are going to put this on today. We're going to place it right up here at the front and then just slide it down behind your ears. It should fall right at your occipital bone. So you want to hold this tight and then just pull that. And then we're just going to take the comb and comb that hair out around. And it should feel really secure, not pulling on your hair. It shouldn't feel too tight. It's very lightweight, very comfortable. Just so it hides this little line right here, the strap. All right, so we are going to put on our full volume topper first. So we're going to undo all of the clips. And tilt your head back for me just a little bit. So I'm going to go in and actually clip it right onto that piece of fabric. And then I'm going to go to the back and then the sides. Some people will choose to pull some of their hair up and put it in a clip and put it on that way. You can do that as well, but you can certainly kind of play around with it to see what you're most comfortable with and how to place it. If you don't get it the first time, it's okay. You just keep trying. That's completely normal. So now we're going to take it off and I'm going to undo all 4 clips. When you remove your topper, you're going to roll this front clip back and then we're going to shimmy it out from left to right. That way it's not pulling on any of her bio hair. Make sure that you close all of the clips when you remove the topper. So this also works well with our light volume topper. So with the light volume topper, the topper gripper is a little bit wider, so you're not going to have all 4 clips, all 3 clips clipped onto the topper gripper. You're just going to do the front and then the back, but it still will work with our light volume topper. This time we are going to clip it to the fabric instead of the actual loop. Sometimes people feel that that's a little bit more secure when they attach it to the fabric and not the little loop that's on there. The clips are actually very secure, so with it being clipped to the topper gripper and that being around like a headband, it's still going to stay and be really secure. Feel good? All right, and then to take it off, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to undo all of the clips. And we're going to roll that front clip back and then shimmy it left to right for it to release that hair. Another question that we get is, can the light volume mini topper that we have be used with the topper gripper? Yes, it can. Just be aware that whenever you're clipping this one in, the base is on a 2 by 3 inch base, so it is actually a little bit smaller than the topper gripper itself, so you will have the chance of it showing on the sides. But if you wanted to use the mini, you can attach it to the front and then the back. But again, the sides are not going to clip in. So you can kind of see why that doesn't really work with the light volume mini. We're just going to take this off. You're just going to take it off like a headband and slide it out. You can store it in a little silk bag that you get or just in your bathroom. The main thing you don't want to, I guess it's just keeping it flat so it doesn't bump up and then it can push the topper up a little bit. So you just want to lay it flat and store it in your bathroom or on your dresser. Sometimes I have seen when customers will pull the string too tight that it does snap. This is basically just like a stretchy elastic wire that you could get replacements for, but that has happened. So to prevent that from happening, try not to tighten it too much. You want to make sure that it does have a little bit of give in it, but it's still secure. If you want to make sure that it doesn't get loose, you could do a little double knot right there, but the way this is, the little metal piece is designed, it kind of stays in that the area that you adjusted it to. So you can tie a knot in it if you want it to be, make sure that it doesn't slip. Yeah, this is our topper grippers.